Have you ever looked at an OCC option symbol and felt completely lost? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to use Regex to parse these symbols automatically, making your life a whole lot easier. I totally get it. The OCC option symbol can seem like a jumbled mess of letters and numbers. It's frustrating when you just want to extract meaningful information from it. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's break down the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I use Regex to parse an OCC option symbol?" They provided an example, SPX 1122P001950, which represents a put option on SPX expiring on November 22, 2014, with a strike price of $19.50. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So what exactly are we dealing with? The OCC option symbol consists of 4 parts: the root symbol, expiration date, option type, and strike price. Understanding these components is crucial for effective parsing. And stick around. At the end, I'll share a quick Regex pattern that you can use right away to parse these symbols effortlessly. To begin parsing the OCC option symbol, the user should first define a regular expression that captures each part of the symbol. This Regex will help extract the root symbol, expiration date, option type, and strike price. Next, the user should implement this Regex in their JavaScript code. They can use the match method to apply the Regex to the OCC option symbol string. After matching, the user can check if the match was successful. If it was, they can extract the individual components from the matches array. Finally, the user can format the extracted data for better readability. They might want to convert the expiration date into a more user-friendly format and calculate the actual strike price. Fun fact, the first regular expressions were developed in the 1950s. They've come a long way since then, just like our coding skills. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by a user involves using a regular expression to parse the OCC option symbol. They suggest a Regex pattern that captures the root symbol, expiration date, option type, and strike price. The user also provides a JavaScript snippet that demonstrates how to use the Regex to extract and format the information from the option symbol. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach suggests that you might not even need Regex to parse the OCC option symbol. Instead, you can use the substring method to extract each component directly from the string. This user believes that using substring will generally perform better than Regex for this task, as it directly accesses the fixed positions of each part of the symbol. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative approach to parsing an OCC option symbol using Regex is provided by another user. They suggest a regular expression that matches various components of the symbol. This Regex captures the root symbol, expiration date, option type, and strike price. The user also recommends using destructuring assignment to easily define the matched parts into separate variables. This makes it straightforward to access each component of the option symbol. Here's the complete Regex pattern that combines all these components. You can use this in your JavaScript code to parse the OCC option symbol automatically. And there you have it. You now have the tools to parse OCC option symbols using Regex in JavaScript. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips and tricks.